Acidophiles are organisms which live in extreme environments, in environments in which the humans cannot adapt. The extremophile which I want to talk about is acidophiles. Acidophiles or acidophilic organisms are the organisms which thrive under highly acidic conditions, usually at a pH less than 2. Acidophiles are found in a variety of environments which are acidic, including sulfuric pool, geysers, and even in stomachs. Majority of the acidophiles have incurred extremely efficient mechanisms to pump protons out of the intracellular space as to keep the cytoplasms at a neutral pH. There are different types of acidophiles such as Acidobacter, aceti, etc. We know that mining is an essential task which humans perform in order to extract essential elements from the earth's surface. This process is essential, but it also has a lot of environmental problems attached with it. A common byproduct of mining is acidic water. The water, without being treated, is being released into the environment and usually goes into the land nearby, hence making the land highly acidic and infertile. Or the acidic water goes into the nearby water bodies and contaminates it. A fun fact is that every year 17 to 27 billion gallons of water is being contaminated due to acidic water not being treated. This phenomenon is known as acidic mine drainage. The solution for this is using acidophiles. Acidophiles are adapted to live in acidic conditions like this. The organism ferroplasma uses sulfur cycling to transfer the sulfide found in the metal ores to sulfuric acid. This process converts the metallic ores into the sulfuric acid. Now, the sulfuric acid can be devastating for the nearby plants and animals. So, the solution for this would be to treat the acidic water immediately after it is being released from the mines. This would create sulfuric acid, which could in turn be sold to earn more money. The method which we use is completely efficient and does not do any harm to the environment. In fact, the process is environmentally friendly as it helps us save natural resources from getting contaminated. This process helps in saving the ground from becoming infertile and saving the water from getting contaminated. This solution is beneficial economically as well. That is because when the treatment using the acidophile ferroplasma is done by the byproduct which would be there, it would be sulfuric acid. This could be sold in the market and extra money could be earned out of it. Ferroplasma is easily available and is not very costly. To conclude, ferroplasma is one of the best sources of treating the acidic mine water. This process is safe, cheap, profitable and is very efficient. The acidophiles are organisms which are used to solve multiple problems such as desulfurization of coal and help in fighting pathogens in the gastrointestinal tract. These extremophiles are extremely important for the world around us and it provides us with better resources.